Let's talk about the food at Art Smith's Homecoming. Brunch has some great options. First, we see the steak and egg plate. Country fried steak covered with gravy and topped with fried eggs. A side of cheesy potatoes makes this dish more than enough to satisfy. Next, we have the biscuits and gravy plate. Two of the cheddar drop biscuits covered with gravy and served with eggs and grits. A classic that is sure to please. And next, those amazing thigh-high biscuits. Fried chicken thighs drizzled with hot honey. Add some bread and butter pickles. And this is the food that Art Smith's is famous for. A meal for one or share with the table. And the amazing Hallelujah biscuit. Biscuit topped with fried chicken, 2 eggs, pimento cheese, bacon, and gravy. You also get to choose a side to go with this. Brunch is a great place to try these amazing creations. Did you know Art Smith was the personal chef to Oprah Winfrey for 10 years and has also cooked for 2 Florida governors? There are so many incredible choices on the menu, and we try different items each time we go. These are a few of our favorites, and I think you would like them too. From the Hallelujah biscuit to the steak and egg plate, it is hard to resist brunch at Art Smith's Homecoming. But the good food goes on. How about an appetizer of church lady deviled eggs, or maybe some fried pickles? Brunch is only served on weekends, but lunch and dinner are available every day. How about some chicken paillard, or our favorite, the country fried steak? Both incredible choices. Just a side note, Art Smith's offers to-go boxes and sturdy bags to put your leftovers in. We take home leftovers every time we eat there, so do not let the large portion sizes scare you away. Arguably, one of the hardest reservations to get at Disney World restaurants is Chef Art Smith's Homecoming in Disney Springs. And for good reason, this place has some of the best food you will find anywhere. So getting a reservation here can be nearly impossible. But there is a way to get a table here any day you want. We eat here often and have never failed to get a table by showing up early. Whether it be lunch Monday through Friday or brunch on Saturday and Sunday, we always have been seated. I suggest getting there at least 15 minutes before their posted opening time and watch the reception kiosk outside. They will start taking walk-ups around 15 minutes before opening. Stay as close as you can to the kiosk because, in normal Disney fashion, people will definitely jump ahead of you to get their names on the list. They usually seat right before opening time, and on our latest visit we were seated and had our order taken just 1 minute after opening time. They do tend to take a little extra time getting the orders started first thing in the morning, so I highly recommend an appetizer to keep you busy as they prepare your full meal. Our go-to are the Church Lady deviled eggs, so very good. These things are addictive, and to be honest, I may just get appetizers next time we go. For our meal this trip, we chose the country fried steak and the chicken paillard, Art Smith's take on chicken piccata. You can ask for substitutions for the sides if you want. Instead of roasted potatoes and asparagus, I got mashed potatoes and green beans on this trip. I hope you got some helpful information on how to get a table at one of the most popular Disney property restaurants. Art Smith's Homecoming is definitely worth a visit. Some good old-fashioned Southern cooking served in large portion sizes. I wish I could say we got dessert on this visit, and we did, just around the corner at Gideon's Bakehouse. We were just too full to eat dessert at the restaurant and had to get some to go,